Oh, it's not. It's too.
Oh, they're all combining now.
It's too dark.
Look at that. That's fucked up.
Damn, it's too dark. Dude, that looks fucked up, dude. Look at that shit. Dude, that's got to be like one of them Monitor missiles, dude.
Dude, they all combined. That's not normal.
Dude.
Oh,
yeah, pull over so we can watch that shit, dude. Yeah, I want to try and get out of the truck, or get out the truck so I can.
Dude, that wasn't even right looking.
Hold on. Ugh. Dude, look at that shit. Dude, look at that shit. Dude, that's got to be like a meteor shot. No, dude, look at that shit. It stopped. Dude, you see that shit stop? You fucking kidding me, right? Dude, that's like the shit you see on fucking... They're all turning directions and shit. Holy shit. Dude, that is fucking crazy.
Look at all these people looking at it. They're like, what the fuck was that?
I know. Scoot forward a little more. We'll get past the tree. Yeah, there it is. You see it?
Yeah. What the fuck was that?
God, look at it. It just fucking curves. Look at that. How it's fucking moving, dude.
No fucking way.
Dude, that's got to be... I don't know.
Tell me you recorded that
shit. Yeah, I
shit.
recorded that shit. I caught it fucking splitting up.
Shit.
Dude, I got it recorded splitting up. I don't know. Yeah, it looked better when I jumped out the truck than when it was in.
Seriously?
Dude, that is fucking crazy. Look at all these people fucking pulling over and checking that shit out.
I was talking up to a Comet, but man, that didn't.
Yeah, that ain't no fucking Comet, dude. Comets, yeah.
Because they all combine together, then they split off, and then
breaking up. A Comet breaking up doesn't stop in midair.